Hi everyone, hello friends. So today I will be sharing my review on this EasyCut die cutting machine. Before I go ahead, I would like to mention here that this review is purely based on my personal experience. So let's get to the review. I bought this machine about 2.5 years ago when I really wanted to, level up my crafting technique and I wanted to try something new. Also, I did not want to invest too much in something which is expensive or heavy. I came across this easy die cutting machine from Dress My Craft and I knew it that this is the one I would like to invest in. Because first and the foremost thing, that is very pocket friendly. Initially when I bought this machine, I thought would it long last a year also or not, but trust me, now it's 2.5 years and this machine is working perfectly fine. I would like to suggest 2 points here. In order to keep your machine long last, not use large intricate dies in this machine. If you use these simple designs in large dies, even the die cuts would be very neat and sharp. If you're using such designs, of course this is an intricate design and it's a large die, then you should be careful. Well, I would suggest not to use them. Keep it for the large machines, because this could, put a lot of pressure on your machine, and your machine could damage or could break also. So avoid using large intricate designs in the machine. When it comes to small intricate designs such as this, it has an intricate design, but it's a small in size. Perfectly fine in this. You can use as many as you want. Second important thing what I have noticed is to use a sturdy platform. That while working with your machine, have a very sturdy platform. You can use it on a sturdy table or you can directly use it on the floor. So if you keep these 2 points in mind while working with your machine, this machine is the best. Trust me, it is a great value for money, and it's quite portable. You can put it in your bag and travel with it anywhere.
Hope you like the review. If you have any questions, please comment below. See you until next time. Bye bye.